education analyst trainer from the past 6 years, and I've been training the students with the English courses, but I felt somehow they were lacking in that personal skills that is needed for their personal and professional growth. So I think I need to have some skills regarding the soft skills. So I was going through many courses during that time. I was researching about the course that can best suits me for my basic or the delivering knowledge that I should have. So during that time, I came across this TTT session of soft skills by the Prashant Pillai and by the Shrinam. So I think I need to do this because this is the bang on course that I was searching that can clear my idea about how you need to be a soft skill trainer then. So the modules were very well planned by Prashant sir. He created the module in such a way that you can basically understand what can be the soft skills by developing the plan, by creating that plan and to delivering that plan. So it was a well flow plan. Even the technique that he used to make us understand was a unique plan. Like he took the training online sessions, plus he used to give us the assignments to complete. The assignments were actually that you can easily plan in future also. That were the practical assignments that we were solving. So I felt that the assignments were more self-assessment, that what you have done in the learning has been clearly justified you or not. So it was really very well on. I felt the course is a game changer for me. I now confidently can say I can now deliver a training session in a more practical and a more confident manner.